In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your PlayStation Portal without a PS5. Now, originally, the PlayStation Portal would only play if it was connected to a PS5. That means it would stream the games from your PS5, whatever you had downloaded, whatever was in your PlayStation network that was compatible. That's what you can use the PlayStation Portal for. But they made recent updates that allow you to also stream games with a PlayStation Plus subscription. So go ahead and power on your PlayStation Portal and then press the PS button to unlock, and then make sure you download the most recent system software update. And then once it's done updating, you can go ahead and turn the portal back on. And then once it turns on, if you've already connected it to a PS5, it'll ask you to connect to your PS5. But instead, what we're going to do is we're going to swipe over and we're going to stream from the game catalog. So this is the option to use your PlayStation Portal without a PS5. The catch is, in order to stream games and to be a part of this beta, you need to have the PlayStation Plus Premium subscription. That is what allows you to stream games from the game catalog. So then once you have that, you can go ahead and click X. And then it pulls up the game catalog, where you're able to stream all of these games that are available in the PlayStation Plus game catalog. Now, all the games in the catalog won't be available to stream on your PlayStation Portal. Only select games that they have configured and enabled for the PS5 are going to be able to be streaming for the PlayStation Portal. So, as you can see, that is how you can use your PlayStation Portal without your PS5. So go ahead and click into one of these games, and then you can click stream and it'll jump right into the game. So it is as easy as that. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.